Okay, so we're going to show you how to install a Verizon SIM card into your XPID device. So first thing, you want to make sure your device is off. Take off the back. Remove the battery. Now you can see right here is the SIM card slot. So all we're going to do is make sure that's lined up with the notch in the right orientation. And then we're just going to slide it in. It might feel a little bit tight, but it'll slide in just fine. There we go. Slid in. Put the battery back in. Turn it back on. Now we're going to have to wait a second while the device boots up. It takes about 20 seconds, so just hold on a second. So when the device comes from the factory, it's actually set for LTE and GSM. For a Verizon SIM card, you want this thing to be set not for GSM but for CDMA. So what we're going to do here, it's starting up. There we go. You can see it says no service to start, and then it says Verizon data connection. The XPID device cannot be used as a phone. You're going to come down here. Right now the Wi-Fi is off. That's actually good for us. We're going to click on the gear up here. And then you want to go to Wireless and Networks. Click on More. Click on Cellular Networks. And make sure that it's set up for LTE and CDMA. There are a couple different modes depending on your provider. You'll use either the global LTE and CDMA or LTE GSM and UMTS. We're using the LTE CDMA. Make sure you've got enhanced 4G LTE mode on. Don't need to worry about anything else. I actually have data roaming set on because that's how I want my device to work. So at this point, I can open up a web browser. I'm going to go to fast.com, which is a network speed test. What did I do? fast.com. Go. And as you remember, there we go, it's showing the speed. It's getting 8.4 megabytes per second, 9.1. So it gets a pretty decent clip of download using the LTE network. You can show more info from fast.com, and it'll show you your latency, and it'll also show you your upload speed. Upload's looking at about 13. It's going to pop up in just a moment here. So this is the way you install a Verizon SIM into the Telaeris XPID device. And right about now, the upload should be finishing up. We're at 11 megabits per second upload, now 12. There you go. So pretty simple, works very quickly, and works with pretty much any cellular network that's LTE compatible. Thank you.